Buenas tardes. Thank you. Thanks.
So President Santana ordered to build a wall.
Talking about the hero, he reminds of all the heroes we ever seen. Independence, he rings the bell, and then he says, Viva Mexico!
Thank you very much for coming back to this presentation. My name is Edgar Jimenez.
65 million years ago, a 6-mile-wide asteroid struck the Yucatan Peninsula. And
All the continents were joined together in a single supercontinent called Pangaea.
The sun will be here, and the beam of light will go across the monument. And as the harvest was abundant and the production of high quality, they introduced big-scale production systems. Quickly, let's take a look to the main elements of flamenco. Well, I have created all these historical images using artificial intelligence. This is the precursor of the Spanish guitar, so let's hear it.
In which these two plates are going to slide apart from each other.
Let's check this one out. Classic. It features Harrison playing the sitar.
so they will calculate planet trajectories. Also, they will predict eclipses.
Do you all know that? Was that like common knowledge for you guys? No? Okay, yes and no, I can hear? Okay. Yeah, that was good. Well done. Did anyone here watch this live? Oh my God. Good for you. I was so excited to go ahead that I forgot to do my intro here.
It's easier to say than 16 de septiembre.
We have arrived to the end of the presentation. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Gracias.
Listen,